Pinatawan ng 60 araw na suspensyon si Cavite 4th District Representative Kiko Barzaga. Inirekomenda yan ng Kamara kasunod ng ilang kontrobersyal na social media posts ni Barzaga. Nakatutok si Darlene Kai.
Kayo po na nakaupo, subukan nyo namang tumayo.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Kiko.
Kumusta na yung kaso ni Tito Romualdez mo?
Yung ano pala?
Oh, ayaw sumagot. Ayaw sumagot, natatakot. Yun, oh.
Naging kontrobersyal si Cavite 4th District Representative Kiko Barzaga sa mga video na ito na siya mismo ang nag-post sa kanyang social media pages. Kanina, mga post din ni Barzaga ang basehan ng committee report ng House Ethics Committee na pinagtibay sa plenaryo. Inirerekomenda nito na suspendihin si Barzaga dahil sa ilang social media post niya na umano'y malaswa, nakababastos sa ibang opisyal ng gobyerno at nagsusulong ng pagkakawatak-watak. 249 ang bumoto pabor at 5 ang hindi. Dahil dito, 60 araw suspendido si Barzaga dahil sa umano'y disorderly conduct o asal na hindi katanggap-tanggap para sa isang miyembro ng House of Representatives.
Recommends the imposition of the penalty of 60 days suspension from office without the benefit of salaries and allowances.
Nagugat ito sa ethics complaint na inihain ni House Deputy Speaker at Antipolo Representative Ronaldo Puno at iba pang kongresistang dating kasama ni Barzaga sa NUP o National Unity Party. Kaugnay sa social media posts ni Barzaga, kabilang ang tungkol umano sa kalaswaan at tilaan nila nag-uudyok na sunugin ang Kamara. Bago pagbotohan ang committee report sa plenaryo, nagbigay ng pahayag si Barzaga.
I wholeheartedly accept the decision of the committee, but I maintain my stance that President Marcos must be held accountable for his crimes. Too many people have died and too much money was plundered from the Filipino people for us to stand down now. Whatever punishment may fall upon me and others who stand against this president who has lost his constitutional mandate of serving the people is inconsequential in relation to the amounts of lives and futures that will be saved when President Marcos leaves Malacanang. It took the deaths and imprisonment
Point of order, Mr. Speaker.
To bring Marcos Sr. to
Point of order, Mr. Speaker.
Pero namatay ang kanyang mikropono.
I would also like to put on record, Mr. Speaker, that the respondent has been given an opportunity to explain his defense at the proper forum, and we have accorded him that.
Yan po ang ulat ni Darlene Kai at patuloy po naming sinisikap na kunan ng pahayag ang sinuspending si Congressman Kiko Barzaga.